All right, stock ticker symbol USMJ, currently traded at 0009. You guys know that this is one that I've watched for a long time here. I've put it on technical analysis alert a while ago at this current price. And I mean, it's just been trading sideways in that channel here, dipping down. Was at as low as 0006, going up to 0009, just going between that area. I'm still going to continue to watch this one. It hasn't flipped that parabolic SAR yet to put it back on technical analysis alert. But as far as the chart goes, I mean, you guys are still within that wing here. I do want to point out one thing, though, especially for all you guys that follow this one closely as I do. I do want to point out one thing here. I know it's going to be hard for you to see here, but there is actually a dark blue line here. Okay, you can see that dark blue line just below that candle right there. That dark blue line has always stayed below the candle. Okay, or I'm sorry, above the candle. Always stayed above the candle, going all the way back to, it's right here, March. So just about a month. That's why. Okay, so that was flipped over there. Finally, you guys are getting above it again. Watch this thing. Continue to watch it. I mean, it hasn't fallen apart yet, but as far as I'm concerned, I mean, I would continue to watch this one. I mean, like Joe just said, that there's a lot going on with the company. As far as USMJ, it's still set up the same way. It just needs that parabolic SAR to flip. The RSI is on a high rise here, coming up to 54. That bearish that in this sideways trading could be just about over. This is, I mean, we've looked at this one so many times. It's probably the best it's been looking here. I mean, probably at least the last few weeks, even though we didn't cover it too much.
All right, so since the last time I went over it with you, there's been like 4 press releases. The first one that I'm gonna go with, like since I've went over it, was North American Cannabis Holdings previews official Americana Cafe launch event and pending new strategic acquisition. So that was on March 10th, and then I'm guessing that's going to discuss like this April 4th. Like, so there was a press release yesterday. I'll go right to that one. It was alternate systems cannabis point of sale system to process USMJ Americana Cafe product sales at Southwest Cannabis Conference and Expo on April 22nd and through the 23rd. So it's North American Cannabis Holdings Incorporated, commonly known as USMJ, and Alternate Systems Incorporated with the ticker symbol ALYI. They announced that Alternate Systems retail point of sale system, designed specifically for the cannabis sector, will be on display and processing orders for USMJ's Americana Cafe display at the upcoming Southwest Cannabis Conference and Expo in Fort Worth, Texas on April 22nd and 23rd. So then it goes on to this right here. It says common dividend distribution of ALYI stock to USMJ shareholders. So at the end of 2016, USMJ and ALYI entered into a share exchange agreement orchestrated around capitalizing ALYI to launch a retail payment system specifically designed for the cannabis industry. The exchange included a reservation of ALYI common stock to be issued to USMJ shareholders in a dividend distribution. The dividend distribution of ALYI common stock will be the second dividend distribution to USMJ shareholders. Last fall, USMJ issued common stock in Portion Incorporated with the ticker symbol PURA to USMJ shareholders in an early dividend distribution. USMJ recently announced the official launch of Americana Cafe to take place at the Southwest Cannabis Conference Expo. USMJ will display the simple Americana Cafe storefront at the expo to include the ALYI retail payment system. The purpose of the Americana Cafe conference participation is to solicit and develop partnerships to open multiple Americana Cafe restaurant operations. The Americana Cafe will be serving CBD infused smoothies to EXPO attendees. So to learn more, they have their the 2 different websites. There's within this one press release right here, there's one going over to the Puration Incorporated website, and then also the growusmj.com. So that's the recent news right there. So as always, if you have an opinion on it, just go right over to that USMJ board on Investors Hangout and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, so 0009, watch. Chart is turning bullish again. Watch for a break of 0011, guys. Watch for that. If you do get a break of that 0011, we're going to put that on a technical analysis alert. Resistance at 0011, 0017, support at 0008 and 0006. You guys are now at 0008 again and 9. So it looks like the interest is building here. The volume is really picking up, guys. Watch this one. This is one that we followed for a very long time. I've said way back here I thought it was going to explode. The volume's starting to pick back up again. We're going to continue to keep a close eye on USMJ. And as always, if this is your first time watching this and you feel that this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it very much. And share this video with all others on different social networks and different stock message boards. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, let us know over at investorshangout.com/live.